Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Out for a little back road ride today. Check out the scenery, see if I can see any wildlife down here in the Ozarks. It's not too bad day. It's like 50 degrees or so, 50, 52, something like that. I think it's going to get to 58 today. So 58 won't be bad. Log in the road. It's not all the way across. Well, it's a whole tree. We had some storms here a while back, and boy, it blowed a lot of trees down. A lot of the dead trees, some green trees, if they wasn't rooted real good. Had to shut the shield down. My eyes are getting cold. Starting to water. Haven't been down this road in quite a while. Nice little wheelie off of that. That was a fun little play spot. Wind is blowing like crazy today too. Luckily I'm down in this here holler, or it's not too bad. At least it's nice and cool, so I don't have to worry about sweating. Few little mud holes like that where it had rained the other night. It seemed like it rained a lot, but it didn't get these creeks to running anyway, so it didn't rain too awful much. I think the road's over there. Oh, they got it blocked off. Got a dirt pile over there. So I guess the road is down here in the creek now. That'll work. Yeah, it's kind of washed out, so it may have flooded here in order to wash that out. Yeah, you can see the road is right here. And that's where the road comes down and come off right there. Well, it's gone. The forest is a place where man can lose his mind and find his soul. I just love being out here in the woods. Big old hill climb there on somebody's property, looks like. Huh, I was gonna go that way, but you can't. I see it log across. A little bit high for me to get across, probably. Yeah, it'd be kind of difficult. Ain't happening. Little cabin up there. Here we go. See, the road used to go right here. It's gone. It is gone. We're down in the creek again. You can see that it's not wide enough for a vehicle to even go down. Of course, there's a tree down there too. But get back up here, we'll be back on it again. So sometime it must have rained and washed it out again since the last time I've been down here, because it wasn't that way that I remember. It's been a while. This part was washed out and they built it back up. The slab's got a lot of gravel over it too. It wasn't like that. It's a lot wider than that. Covered with gravel. They probably get tired of spending money on a lot of these back roads there ain't many people live on, and it costs a lot to come in here and fix them every time it storms. There's a squirrel. I don't know if I should try riding down those leaves down there, because I wouldn't doubt what that ain't mud. Uh-oh. Go around this. And then we got to do a Graham Jarvis here. Across these rocks. Good thing I got a skid plate. There we go. Hey guys, thank you for tagging along. I'm down here at Roaring River State Park. Click the thumbs up on the video, subscribe for more, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Right on.